welcome back to the Davis at Home. Thank you so much to our returning subscribers, to the new ones. I really appreciate all of you. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We are so thankful for you all and for many other things. Anyway, today we are coming back with another episode. This was a request from one of our subscribers. We are basically going to share with you the finished products of our enclosed office space for Ashley's office. We did get a request from a subscriber that they wanted us to share the process of getting it done. So we thought that we would share it. I will warn you though that I wanted Ash to film the finishing of the drywall as well as the painting of the doors, but I was at work and he just forgot to do it. So I came home and I'm like, did you film? And he's like, no.
Yes, my bad. I forgot. But I think the person that requested, they mentioned that they were also building, but their builder did not offer an option to enclose the office space.
Right.
So they kind of was interested to see how that process worked.
Right. So yeah, here goes. There are some parts of the video that I will warn you that the contractor was playing music, so we have to mute some parts, but he is willing to share any information for you guys. Just ask your questions and I will let him answer it. He is going to do a few other projects in the house, and we really like him. He's very professional. If you are new to this channel, happen to just see this video, please be sure to subscribe. Our family is vlogging our home building process. Well, we did vlog our home building process. Now we are just giving home updates. We also share anything to do with our family lifestyle. So please consider subscribing. I still can't believe that we are over 1,000 subscribers. It just amazes me. And I know Ash always laughs like, why are people even watching our video? But yeah, I am so grateful to God. I appreciate you all, and it means that we are adding value to you. So yeah, keep liking us, liking our videos, and subscribe.
Either that or people just like laughing at us. I don't know. Because every time they say we're funny. Hilarious.
I know.
Are they laughing with us or at us?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe at us, probably. Probably, but yeah. Thank you all. We appreciate you all. So yeah. So what are you doing?
This is my plate for the small wall I built in here.
Oh.
Yeah, it has to go this notch right here for the carpet.
Okay. Wow. So it's not gonna stay there?
Yeah, because you have the open door in here.
Oh,
that's
okay.
The finished look.
Got it. Got it. So you put one on this side too. So that little thing, did it come, the wood, did it come cut out like that, or
no, I have to cut it.
You have to cut it?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to cut that to fit there, so you can fit it there, and then the door is gonna come
62,
here.
that my opening for the door.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna look good, right, Gabby? product. It's not completely finished yet. Max, our contractor, he had some finishing touches. We basically used the white primer. If you saw our previous video, which a lot of people thought it was going to be the paint that we were going to use, but it was actually the primer, which caused a little bit of an issue with painting black over it. But Ash, do you want to tell them what the whole thing with the paint was?
Yeah, so when I went to Sherwin-Williams, I said to them that I wanted a paint that was as close to this as possible. This is actually a stain, but we didn't want to do a stain for the door. So they told me about this particular paint, but then it's not one of those paints that has a primer already mixed in. So we had to do a separate white primer. So because of that, like, there's still some white spots that, you know, he wasn't very happy about. He's like, you know, he can still see it. We said, no, it's not a big deal. Like, you know, it's good. But he's still, you know, he's very detail oriented. Right. So he wants to make sure that everything is right. So he's going to come back and touch with a fine, very fine brush.
So, yeah, but do you love it? Yeah.
Oh yes. And the black with the white trim, I think, is good. It's
yeah. And he suggested, Ash was actually thinking of it being black, but he was hesitant to tell me because he said I always say that he likes black stuff or whatever. So I'm like, well, it's your office, whatever. And besides, a lot of people on YouTube pretty much like what your idea. So anyway, one thing that we actually love is that we didn't even think about it when we were doing this, but now we have a little entry, little wall for an entry way table. Isn't that what it's called? Like a console table thingy. And a subscriber actually pointed it out to us. So we are looking for one. It's not a big space, but I think that it will give a little bit of character to this wall, this little hallway here, because like we said in our previous videos, we don't have a lot of walls in this house, which we didn't think about before building it or after we moved in and whatnot. So,
and if anyone hasn't already noticed, see, we have another situation where I trusted Mrs. Davis to be my eyes about making sure a picture is in the middle. And she told me, she stepped back and said it's in the middle, but you can see.
I still think it's in the middle.
No, you can look, this here compared to here, you can see.
Oh, if everybody has my eyes, they think that
it's never again. I'll measure it next time.
Yeah, maybe next time that's what you need to do. But we are looking for a console table. Ash is very particular. I asked him for, do you like this one? He's like, no. And then the ones that he likes is too big. Anyway, if you do follow me on Instagram, which you should, the Davis at Home, Ash has started with the backsplash. So anyway, I did get a request from someone on Instagram to film it, and I was going to, but Ash said no.
Because like I'm not some professional tiling guy. Unless you're interested in watching an amateur person doing tiling who don't really know what they're doing, but they're just gonna figure it out as they go along, then fine, you can watch me all you want. But if you're expecting to learn from me and learn tricks of the trade and all that stuff, I'm the wrong guy.
It is a very difficult tile, and I think it looks wonderful, but I think that, you know, you guys want authenticity, and I think you want to see that, you know, he is figuring it out as he's going.
Yeah, because the tiles she's chosen is very hard. It's like, it's not easy. Even the contractor said he's glad that he's not doing it.
He said that.
Yeah, he said, oh man, that one is hard. Like, I'm glad I'm not doing this one.
But anyway, the contractor said that if Ash did a good job, he might hire him for a next job. But yeah, I will show you. So I'm still trying to convince him to see if he'll let me film. So yeah, and then I will show you the end product. It looks great, but he has all the countertops like covered with bags, so I can't really tell. So yeah, but anyway, that is the end of today's episode. Please be sure to share this video to people that are building or have built and have need an idea for this, or if you just love us, just subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you all. Share this video, like, comment. Next week we will be back. Is it next week? I'm not sure. We will be back. As we said in our previous video, we want to share what has been laid on our heart, and today was actually confirmation when we went to church. So we will definitely share that with you when we come back. Thank you so much and have a blessed week. Bye.